Hi, I'm Kay from Kay's Creative Home. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to share with you how I transformed these paper mache reindeer into these beautiful blinged out reindeer. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Kay from Kay's Creative Home. Welcome back. And if this is your first time here, welcome. Today I want to share with you how I took these two reindeer and two other items that I'll share with you at the end and transformed them into some blinged out Christmas decor. Using this paint, I gave the reindeer one coat of red paint, and I was happy with the results, but I wanted the color to be a little bit deeper. So what I did was, I took this same paint again and mixed a little bit of black paint in and came up with a real deep red paint. And then I gave my reindeer a second coat. Now while I give these reindeer a second coat of paint, I like to share with you some of the things I'll be doing for the holidays this year. Along with DIY projects for Christmas, I will also be completing my series on how to make a bow. So if you can't make a bow, if you've had difficulty with making a bow, please check out my series. I've already done 5 videos, and they're in the description box below, the playlist for that series. I will also be adding at least 3 more videos to that series, and I share all different types of bows and use different types of materials. Along with that, I'll be doing so many DIYs to help you to decorate your home for the holidays at a lower price. My whole goal is to decorate almost every area of my home for a minimal cost. This has been a rough year for a lot of people, and I'd rather do more donating to those who are without than spending it on decor this year. I will be spending some money on decor, but I also want to make sure I have enough to share with others. So as you can see, these deer are coming along. I've got them painted and they're a little blotchy, but I came to like that, and I tried coating them again, but it just seemed like that paper mache wasn't going to have an even coat. So I decided to accept them as they are, to add a little bling to make them stand out. So I got so excited with doing the reindeer and how they turned out, I also did some word signs from Dollar Tree. So here's how they turned out. What do you think? Leave me a comment and let me know what you think about my blinged out reindeer and these 2 signs from Dollar Tree. I did peace and I did merry. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell if you'd like to be notified when new videos are released. Alright, I thank you for spending this time with me today, and I'll be talking with you again real soon.